Hey everybody, it's Neil, and all morning I have been hiding wires behind my desk here. If you've seen some of my old videos, you probably see that these wires from these lights in here have all been hanging out. They're not anymore because I've been drilling some holes in my cabinetry and putting them through with this Forstner bit. And so the way these Forstner bits work, it comes with three, and it looks like all three are going to be the same size for this one here. You can kind of see that. I'll show you. I put it in my drill here because I've actually been using it. And you can see this is it here. It's got the little pokey part here. So the way it kind of goes into the wood, it'll poke in first. Then you can, oh, I don't have a battery on it right now. But then it starts to go and turns. And then when you see it poking through the other side, I go through from the other side just to make it nice and even, because then this will make a nice good circle. So these are great little bits. They fit into my drill here super easy and super solid, and they stay sharp. I've been using this one here all day, and it's sharp as can be. I'm gonna guess it looks about as good as the new one. So, I mean, you can kind of see. And this one here I've probably done, I can tell you exactly how many holes I've done. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 holes. So this one here seems good so far, going through 3/4 inch plywood. So very cool. Thumbs up for sure.